Hi everyone, this is Nitesh Kumar Pandey. In today's video, we are going to make a program to print negative number in or negative element in array. Okay, so without wasting any time, I'm just going to open Visual Studio Code. If you have this application, then you open it and do practice with me parallelly so that your coding skill will be improved and you can learn this topic in a better way in one go on. And if you don't have, then you open online Java compiler and you do practice there parallelly. Okay, so uh, if you are going to write code with me parallelly, then it is the way only so that you can learn this topic in a better way and your coding skill will be improved. Okay, and your time wasting will reduce. Okay, so I'm just going to open it, Visual Studio Code. I have already opened it, and now I'm going to write file name first, then I will write code. I will explain the problem statement, and then I will do coding part, and then I will execute the code, and then after that I will write comment for each line, each logic, so that your coding skill will be improved and you can learn this topic in a one go only. Okay, so I need to write here file name. So to save our code in the file, what should be the file name is negative element, negative 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 element dot java. Okay, so I need to write here public class negative element element. Okay, so this is the file name. I'm going to insert first main method. That is, to insert main method we need to write psvm in the Visual Studio Code only. If you are using another application, then you have to write full name. Okay, psvm, you have to write full name of the what name of the method. Okay, that is public static void main string args and then curly braces. Okay, you have to write these full things. Okay, if you are using another application, if you are using the same application, that is Visual Studio Code only, then you have to write psvm for printing um, what any text or executing parameter. Then you have to write shout, the means SOUT. Okay, now I'm going to insert here may what scanner class to take user input. So I need to write here import java.util.scanner, and here I need to write object for the scanner class. So I need to write here scanner sc is equals to new scanner system dot in, and then I need to write here shout enter number of enter size. Okay, enter size of the array. Okay, and then I need to take the size in the variable n st dot next. Okay, now I'm going to declare the array of size n. Okay, so I need to write here int arr. Okay, square bracket new int of size n. Okay, now I have already declared of array of size n. Now I am going to ask to user to enter number of element to store in array. Okay, so I need to write here enter enter n enter n element enter n element in the array. Okay, then I need to write here for int I is equals to 0, I less than n and I plus plus, and then I need to take the all given element in the array. So I need to write int arr of I is equals to sc dot next int. Okay, here I need to write sc only, not scc. Okay, now I have taken the size of the array and element of the array. I need to I am going to explain the problem statement. Sorry, here I need to write input. If user will input input size of the array 5, and user is element input what element for the array array of size 5, element is 1 minus 1 minus 5, 8 minus 4, 2. User have already entered 5 number of element, then our output should be okay, what, minus 5 and minus 4. Okay, so this is going to be printed in this code. Okay, so printing this negative number, I need to write here one one result parameter or result text, you can say. I need to write here below is the negative element entered by user in or you. Okay, you can see. Okay, and then I need to write int for int I is equals to 0, I less than n, and then I plus plus, and then I need to write here south. Here I need to write here here I need to write a condition to check negative number. So I need to write if error of I is less than equal to less than 0. Okay, not equal to, less than 0 means it is a negative element. So then in this case only I need to print what, error of I, otherwise we don't have to print. Okay, and then I need to write here sc dot close to avoid resource leak and save the and free the memory. Okay, not save, to free the memory and avoid resource leak. I am checking if element starting from 0th index till n. Okay, if element is less than 0, then in that case only we have to print that element. Okay, and and if it is we not found the negative element, then it will print nothing. Okay, now I am going to execute it. After that I will write comment for each line. Okay, you can understand, bro. We have to just print negative number, so that's why I have write this logic less than 0. It is asking to enter number of enter size, I am entering 5. It is saying to enter 5 element, I am entering this same element. Okay, now I'm going to enter it, and you can see below is the negative number. Okay, our negative element, that is 5 minus 5 and minus 4. Okay, so our code is working perfectly. Now I'm going to write element, I'm going to write what, comment for the code. Okay, so it is a scanner class. It is used to take user input, to take user input. This is what, this is this is file name where our code is going to going to save. Okay, this is the main method. After this everything is going to execute. Okay, this is what object creation for a scanner class. Object creation for the scanner class. Okay, this is message to ask user input for the size of the array. Okay, we are storing size of the array. Okay, and here we are declaring the array of size and this is what text. Also text message to enter element for array. Message for user. Okay, to enter element for the array, and we are taking all element using for loop in one go. Okay, taking element in a sequence index wise, taking element of the array in a sequence index wise. Or okay, and this is what message to show result text. Okay, and we are traversing whole loop whole traversing whole array to find negative element by using conditional statement. Okay, this is the condition to get negative number. Okay, and we are printing here negative if we found we found in array. Okay, and after that closing scanner class object void resource and free the memory. Okay, I hope guys you have understood these things. We need to print just negative number or negative element in the array. Okay, we will meet in next video. Till then, keep learning and keep doing dry run so that your coding skill will be improved and your logic will build to solve another problem related to these things. Okay, and we will definitely complete all these things DS in Java only. as I already inform you. Okay, so don't be panic if lecture is coming late. Okay, I've already too much task to complete. Okay, uh, and I will try my best to give you regularly lecture. Okay, regularly. Okay, so have a nice day. Thank you and bye. We will meet in another video, and we will definitely complete these things. Okay, thank you.